see him right there. Hold up. And pow. Bitch! I got him! Oh, hello. Is this heresy I smell? Who the fuck is this guy? Okay, I don't got time for you guys. Okay. Hello.
We've stopped. What is it?
Yeah, I need something.
What do you need to take?